Hi everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today at KD Cuts we're going to put together Tandy's ADALYNN Crossbody Kit. Now you'll notice there's a red letter 1 up here. That means you need 0 leather experience to put this kit together. All you need is a screwdriver. Now the kit comes with the pre-cut leather, a snake chain, chain accessories, Chicago screws, and the instructions. The edges of the leather are actually pre-finished. So let's go open this thing up and get to it. So here's the instructions. Nice instruction set. Talks about doing the 3 strand mystery braid first, and basically just putting this thing together. Pretty simple. Here's the leather, pre-cut. Here's the strap for the closure strap, and your hardware. And one thing I really like about these new kits that Tandy's doing is they give you patterns. They give you a master pattern so you can reproduce the kit if you want. They make this one out of a nice card stock. I'm going to take this, glue it to a piece of cardboard, and make it even sturdier. Kudos to Tandy on these new kit designs. Let's do a mystery braid. Okay, guys. Okay, one more time should get it. So that's 2 foldovers, right? I think I want to try for a 3rd one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I want it to be a tighter weave, well, let's see. I think we're going to go with 2. What do you think? Nah? That's going to be good enough. Before we assemble this bag, the ADALYNN or ADALYNN, you're going to have to do something to finish it and seal it off. My favorite is Super Shene. It's water-based, safe to use. It's pretty much all I use. And I have done a good job on that. That's beautiful. Here's the closure strap. Now we're going to put it together. there you have it. Snake chain. One, two, three, 4 sets of Chicago screws. Now you'll notice in that build sequence, guys, I had to go back and make sure that I had everything secured properly. No big deal. And I used my trusty Gorilla Glue for a thread lock, or use anything you want. But this is a gorgeous crossbody bag. Super simple. Beautiful kit design. Really like this a lot.